Assalamu alaikum and hi to all friends and viewers around the globe. My name is Ahmad and you are watching Washan Entertainment channel. Whenever someone talks about the snakes, everyone gets afraid because snakes are one of the most dangerous animals on our planet. There are almost 3400 kinds of snakes on our planet and almost 500 kinds of snakes are highly venomous which can kill a human in few minutes. In these there are some snakes which are beautiful in look but very dangerous. Today I am going to tell you about 10 most dangerous and beautiful snakes on our planet. So let's start our countdown. Number 10. Mojave rattlesnake. The Mojave rattlesnake, also known as the Mojave green. This snake is highly venomous pit viper species. It is found predominantly in the desert of United States as well as central Mexico and is largely considered by the scientists to possess the most poisonous venom of the rattlesnake species. The Mojave rattlesnake average length is around 3.3 feet with a maximum length around 4.5 feet. This snake also has resemblance to the western diamondback rattler. The venom of the Mojave rattlesnake is extremely deadly and nearly matches the toxicity of the several elephants such as king cobra, which can kill a human being in few minutes. Number 9. Philippine Cobra. The Philippine Cobra, also known as the Northern Philippine Cobra, is a highly venomous species of the snakes residing in the northmost corner of the Philippine Islands. It often inhabits the low-lying plains and forest region of the Philippines and is often found near the source of fresh water. This snake tends to be brown in color, with the older snakes lightening in their brown appearance with age. The average length of the cobra approximately 3.3 feet, but some Philippine cobra have been known to reach length of 5.2 feet. This species is composed of a neurotoxin that directly affects the respiratory system of its victim. The venom of the Philippine cobra is extremely potent. It is also known to cause paralysis of the neuromuscular system. Number 8. Death Adder. The death adder is a highly venomous snake found in Australia, New Geneva and the surrounding region. It is considered one of the deadliest snakes in the world, with approximately 7 different species making it all over genus. Although the death adder has viper-like appearance, it is actually a member of elephant family of snakes, which includes cobra and lake mambas. Death adder are quite short with triangular head and small scales adorning their bodies. They are also possess large fangs as well as lure at the end of their tail and resembles a small worm. Typically, the death adder maintains a shade of black and gray. Unlike many snakes that actively hunts, the death adder often lies in wait for its prey and ambushes potentially victim with lightning fast strike. Amazingly, the death adder can strike its prey and inject with venom of less than 0.15 seconds. The death adder venom is highly neurotoxin. Bites from a death adder are extremely deadly and can result in death within 6 hours if treatment is not sought out. Number 7. Tiger snake. The tiger snake is also highly venomous snake that is found along the southern sector of Australia and Tasmania. The tiger snake is often found in coastal region, wetlands and marsh due to abundance of prey in these sort of environments. Tiger snake size is approximately 3.9 feet in length and come in a large variety of colors depending on their locations, like olive, yellow, orange, black, brown. Similar to the cobra, the tiger snake is quite aggressive when startled and will flatten its body in order to raise head above the ground level. The tiger snake's venom is comprised of highly potent neurotoxin, coagulant and mycotoxins. Number 6. Russell viper. Russell viper, also known as the chain viper, is a venomous snake from the Viperidae family. It is found predominantly in South Asia like China, Taiwan and India. Chain viper are also quite common and are typically found in grasslands and brushy areas. They are also common around the farms but tend to avoid forested regions as well as marshes and swamps. One of the chain viper primary food source is rodents. As a result, these snakes are often found around the human settlements, given the fact that rats and mice tend to stay close to the human. Chain viper possess flat triangular head with the round and raised snots. They are typically yellow, tan and brown in color. These deadly snakes can reach length of 5.5 feet with a width of approximately 6 inches. Chain viper produce a considerable amount of venom in their bites, which are highly lethal to the human being. Number 5. Black Mamba. The black mamba is a species of extremely venomous snake that resides in sub-Saharan Africa. The snake is also known to live in both ground as well as in trees. They are often found in woodlands, forests, and rocky regions. In these regions, the black mambas often prey on birds and other small animals. Given its rapid speed, which is around 10 miles per hour, the snake is also able to overcome most of its prey with ease. The black mamba is known for long length at approximately 6.6 feet to 10 feet on average. Some black mambas have been reached to length of 14.8 feet, making it one of the longest venomous snakes in the world. The black mamba often maintains a color of gray, olive, and dark brown, with adults being so far darker than younger mambas. Unlike other snakes, the black mamba typically delivers multiple bites when it strikes. Its venom is composed primarily of a neurotoxin-induced symptoms with a span of 10 minutes. Humans usually die within 30 minutes to 3 hours if medical treatment is not administered rapidly. Number 4. Eastern Brown. The Eastern Brown snake are found in nearly all environments. They are most common around farms as their main prey includes the populous house mouse. This extremely deadly snake is quite slender in appearance and reaches an average length of 4.9 feet to 6.6 feet. As its name, Eastern Brown is typically brown color, with some snakes taking a blackish appearance as well. Eastern Brown are well known for their small fangs, dark tongue, and dark black eyes. They are also quite solitary and tend to be most active during the daylight hours. The Eastern Brown snake venom is extremely deadly and is responsible for more deaths in Australia than any other snake species. Out of 35 reports snakebite deaths between 2000 to 2016, 23 of these were caused by the Eastern Brown snake. Number 3. Inland Typhoon. This is highly venomous snake that resides in Australia. It is a member of the Elipid family, which includes cobra, and it's considered to be one of the most deadliest snakes in the world today. There are 3 known species of the typhons, including coastal typhon, inland typhon, and the central range typhon. Most of the typhon species are found along the northeast coast of Queensland, as well as the southern sector of New Geneva. It is primarily feed on rats and manticoes along with small mammals. The inland typhon venom contains high level of neurotoxin. One bite from an inland typhon often results in paralysis of the victim nervous system. Common result of the typhon bites with paralysis setting in anywhere from 2 to 6 hours after the bite, and person can die in the same period. Number 2. Blue Carrot. The blue carrot or Malayan carrot is a highly venomous snake of the Elipid family. On average, the snake reaches length of approximately 3.6 feet and maintains a color pattern of bluish-black crossbands that are separated by the yellowish-white interspaces. The blue carrot is found predominantly in South Asia, including Indochina and Indonesia. It primarily feeds on mice and other snakes. Current studies have shown that the blue carrot prefers fields, holes, and even home for its habitats. The blue carrot is also found of water source and is often found near rivers, lakes, and ponds. Blue carrot venom is highly potent and consists of extremely powerful neurotoxins that paralyze its muscular system, causing suffocation from an inability to breathe within 4 hours. Number 1. Vulture sea snake. The vulture sea snake, also known as the faint-banded sea snake, is an extremely venomous snake of the Elipid family. Despite its shy and timid temperament, the vulture sea snake is considered the most venomous snake in the world. The snake is relatively small in size, with a slender body and yellow base with green crossbands. It is commonly found in Indian Ocean as well as in Philippines, Gulf of Thailand, and Solomon Island and the northwest coast of Australia. It is typically found along the tropical reefs and can hold breath for nearly 8 hours before resurfacing for air. The snake venom contains high level of neurotoxin and mycotoxin. One drop of its venom is strong enough to kill 1800 people. The vulture sea snake is so poisonous that a single bite can kill an individual in less than 30 minutes.